Your cats love to play, but they can disturb your day. If they aren't entertained, they can get bored, lazy, or up to mischief. Now you can keep your kitties entertained with the fun and exciting Mouse Bounce from JML, the interactive hands-free cat toy that keeps your kitty busy. Just secure on virtually any tabletop, kitchen counter or desk, then press Mouse's nose and watch its tail go go go, as it automatically and randomly bounces up and down to engage your cat's natural instincts, keeping them active and entertained for hours, with the wacky, unpredictable movements to entice kitty back again and again. And Mouse Bounce's automatic timer keeps your feline friends entertained for hours. It's the perfect toy. Cats get bored and seek attention, which can lead to messy mishaps. With Mouse Bounce, you're a click away from keeping your cat entertained. Mouse Bounce is ideal for all cats, young or old. Bring out your old cat's inner kitten and turn lazy kitty into crazy kitty. It's clawsome feline fun. Let your kitties play amongst themselves and let them enjoy playtime anytime, anywhere. Bring uncontrollable pawsome fun into your home and let your cats enjoy the crazy, exciting new interactive toy. That's Mouse Bounce from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.